Good morning, dear students. Today it is 9th April 2020 and we'll start our day with English language. In English language, we'll be doing composition, my favorite sports person. This composition will be writing in 150 to 200 words. Any composition we write, we divide it into three parts. The first is introduction, then followed by body, and then it is conclusion. Introduction, para 1, it will be para 1, body will be para 2 and 3. It depends on your formation. It can be in para 1 also, it can be split into two paras also. So the last is your conclusion, that if you are writing this in one para, body in one para, then this will be your para 3. Otherwise it will be your para 4 if it is in the second part is in two paragraphs. So I'll give you the outlines. Just go through the outlines and try to frame on your own. Your favorite. Everybody has got his or her own sports person. So, but these guidelines you should keep it in mind while writing. Introduction में what you can include? Introduction में many favorite sports. You can write the basic information first. Introduction में many famous sports personalities are there in the field of sports, and in India we acknowledge sports, and especially cricket. Cricket is played in each and every part of India. People adore and respect sports persons. Some people are crazy. In cricket field you see many of the crazy fans, they are waving for their favorite players. So you write your introduction with the any sports you like, and relating to that sports only your sports person will be there. So in your body you can start with your favorite sports person, obviously the game from which he or she relates, and followed by the achievements, and a small part of history also you can include in this, and any instance of his or her life you want to share, that also you can include. And after this body you can lastly you have to write the conclusion, that is how he or she has inspired you to become a good human being or to become a good citizen of your country. Like in body, my favorite sports person, if I say, is PV Sindhu. So PV Sindhu, her full name is Pusala Venkata Sindhu. She became the first Indian woman to win an Olympic silver medal, and she is the recipient of India's highest civilian honor, the Padma Shri, and she has also got Padma Bhushan also. So this way you can include the lines and form this composition. So have a nice day. God bless.